Um, Welcome everyone. Uh, Today we are here with some new collection of sarees. We hope that you enjoyed our previous video. If you like our video and keep in touch with us, in that case you please subscribe and like our channel and click on the bell icon to get in touch with us. Every time we post something, YouTube will let you know. So our today's first design will be on pure cotton sari, applique work all over,
Handloom saree.
hand woven handloom sari. Yes, this part will be the aanchal part. This applique will be all over. Yes, it's all over. Pure hand woven handloom sari, and on that the entire sari will showcase with a beautiful applique work of flower and leaves,
Price
and we have certain color options on this. Price will be just 950 rupees. Here comes the second color. Design will be the same, applique design will be the same, the color will be different with a different contrast. It's yellow and red. Yes, ₹950. 950 rupees.
another design.
Another design, another applique design, all over applique with beautiful gray color, gray and red. Yes, all over. The price will be just 950 rupees. 950 rupees. Same design, another color, tasar color, tasar and red, blood red applique and border. The quality of the sari is very nice, very good. Combination is gray and rust. Combination is gray and rust. 950 only. Price will be just 950. And we quote this price just for wholesalers. If you want to start a business, you can contact us. We manufacture this type of saris. You can see boutique saris. We manufacture boutique saris. all exclusive designs. Look, these are not prints, these are basically applique work. Let me show it to you. Just check the quality of the applique. The threads that we used to do this applique, we always try to change the colors so that it can go with the color of the applique. When it's bottle green, the thread color will be bottle green. When it's purple, the thread color will be purple. When it's yellow applique, we don't use white common threads to do the applique. This piece will also come with the same price of 950 only. All over applique sari. Beautiful combination of red, ash and off-white. Just look the contrast. 950 rupees wholesale price. So applique sarees, it all will come in 950 only. 950 is the price per unit. Okay. Now this hand embroidery and on Bengal handloom saree, 6.5 meter of length, total saree length. Just look the design what we have made. Just look the design. All over, first to end. The frequency of the design will remain the same. Look. Embroidery work on Bengal handloom saree. Very lightweight, and the color is tasar color. Tasar color with red, black and yellow striped border.
Very, very soft material.
Yes, very soft material, very lightweight and very soft material.
100% pure cotton.
100% pure cotton. 100% pure cotton and very soft material. Okay, just 1250. This design will cost you just 1250 rupees. 1250 rupees. Another color. Beautiful color. Beautiful. This embroidery on pure Bengal handloom will come in just 1250 rupees price. Wholesale price will be 1250 rupees. This one is another color. Five to six colors you will get in this design. Beautiful. Parrot green color, parrot green with red. Beautiful. Bengal handloom sari with embroidery, all over embroidery. Yellow and red, yellow red combination. Yellow red combination. Bengal handloom sari with yellow red combination with all over embroidery work in just 1250 rupees wholesale price. Wholesaler can contact us. Thank you for watching this collections, and we'll try to bring few more collections for you people. Okay, so just stay with us. Thank you.